Hi everybody, I'm Miss Gaona.
Hi.
I'm going to read a book to you. Patterns. What Comes Next? By Michelle Kuhlman. What is a pattern? A pattern is the placement of objects in some kind of order. These apples show a pattern. They are placed in a certain way. A red apple comes first, a green one comes next. The color pattern repeats. See that?
Red, green, red, green, red, green.
Good.
Red.
Patterns of color. These crayons show a pattern of color. The pattern is red, green, blue, red, green, blue. The pattern is A, B, C, A, B, C. What color does each letter represent? What color should come next in the pattern? Let's answer that question. Red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, green. Good. Who can tell me in their own words, what is a pattern? Raise your hand. Alexa?
The pattern goes on and on.
Yes, the pattern goes on and it repeats, right? And who else? Does anybody see a pattern in this room?
Yeah.
Look around.
Yes. Over there.
Raise your hand, please. Abigail? Where do you see a pattern?
The calendar.
On the calendar. Good. I see an A, B, B. A, B, B. Good. Does anybody else see a pattern? Okay. These are all A, B patterns because they all have two different shapes in each pattern. The shapes here in this pattern are circles and triangles. That's it. This pattern, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Okay, now everybody read it with me.
Circle, triangle, circle, triangle,
What do you think
circle.
comes next?
Circle.
Circle. Good. All of these are A, B, C patterns because they all have three different shapes in each pattern. This one has circle, triangles, and square. That's it. This pattern, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Read it with me, everybody.
Circle, triangle, square. Circle, triangle, square. Circle. Circle.
Circle. Good.
Triangle.
Okay, now you need to make an A, B, C pattern. Show me an A,
What
B,
do
C
you think
pattern.
comes next? What do you think comes next?
A, B, C.
You never want nothing like that.
Square, circle.
Not that.
That's the A, B, C. You have to just make an A, B. Let me show you. Square, circle, square, circle. What comes next? Can you put one? Okay. Thank you. Now you can keep creating A, B patterns and A, B, C patterns. After you're done writing your name at the top, first and last name, I want you to create one A, B pattern with circles, triangles, or squares. Now underneath your A, B pattern, I want you to create one A, B, C pattern with triangles, circles, and squares. Okay, now look at these patterns. These are all A, B patterns. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. What do you think comes next?
Circle.
Circle comes next. Okay, now all of these are A, B, C patterns because all of them have three shapes instead of two. Okay? Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. What do you think comes next?
Triangle.
Triangle. I'm going to give you all the whiteboard, and I want you to create your own A, B pattern and your own A, B, C pattern with circles, triangles, and squares. Circle, square, circle. Good. You have an A, B pattern. Triangle, square, triangle, square. Good. You have another A, B pattern. Now let's work on making it
Some of them have wings.
Okay?
So some of them
Let me show
can
you.
fly.
This is an ABC pattern. Can you read it
No,
with me?
you think it's
Circle,
except
triangle, square. circle, triangle, square. What do you think comes next?
Circle.
Circle. So this is an ABC pattern. Can you make one of those for me?
Some
Thank you.
or gill. Some. And how can they protect
Well, everybody did a wonderful job today, and I just wanted to ask you a few questions. What did you learn to make today?
Patterns.
What did you learn to make today? Patterns. Can you say it louder?
Patterns.
What kinds of patterns did you make?
A, B, A, B, A.